Hey class, this video is a general overview of how to build a Google website, more importantly a Google portfolio website. It's very important to, if you're starting your careers, to have a sort of portfolio together with a general description of your background, your education, certifications, credentials, badges from certifications, description of previous work, pictures to support what you've done, videos and animations and graphics. It's just a good general display of what your skills are. This type of thing isn't something that you need to be humble in doing. You're trying to sell yourself, put yourself out there, so you really put your best picture and really brag about yourself. This is an example of my portfolio that I didn't do on Google, but I did it on my own website. But it just has a general example of work I've done, accomplishments of some of my students to show that I've taught good programs that are competitive with top programs in the state, top programs in the country. I teach students how to be very competitive and know their craft. It shows organizations that I've been a part of. I talk about collaboration with other staff members, projects I've worked on for administration, social media. It's very important to show that you're social media savvy so you can sell yourself and market your company or yourself to everybody out there in the social media world. The Google website, I've put together something to kind of go with what I'm going to be asking you. You're going to build a home page, a general biography. You can add pictures, describe your hobbies, your experiences, contact information, general information like phone numbers, email addresses, social media links. This is a resources page. There might be general sites that you go to when you're working. Some stuff's really easy to remember and you got bookmarked. Some stuff isn't. But it's really good to start really early on collecting resources because a lot of them fall through the cracks and get forgotten about. So if you just got a go-to place to just put it, this will be a good resource for you. Portfolio, this is where you embed video projects that you've worked on, graphics, special effects, animations, anything that you want to show a potential employer what your skills are and what you're capable of, so they know what type of skills and what level you're at. Career research. I'm going to have you research a specific field that you want to possibly pursue beyond high school and college. It's good to have a general idea. What am I doing all this for? What are my studies going to lead me towards? And two, you want to know, what do I need to do to get to that spot? I put an example. This is a film and video editor, general overview, daily task, salary. You're going to create a resume page and you're going to embed the resume that you create for yourself onto that page through Google Drive. From the very beginning, you're going to create a daily blog page, and this is to help remember what you've learned, talk about your learning process, talk about challenges, anything that was eye-opening, any insights. But this will be something that I'll be grading throughout so you can be reflective on what you've learned. So this is a general overview of what this assignment is about. The directions, be sure that you follow from my website because that's going to be the most accurate and up-to-date information. Of course, You'll be able to access this from Google Classroom. Once I post it, you'll have all the links. That's the links to the directions right here. This is my example site, and this is the link to create a new site in Google Classroom. Each part of this assignment is going to be divided into objectives. Objective 1, you're just going to create all your pages. They're just going to be shells at this point, except for your home page. Objective 2, you're going to work on your daily blog and portfolio page. Objective 3, you're going to create your contact page with your social media links, picture. Objective 4, you're going to do career research and post the information that you found from your research onto that page. Objective 5, create the resume. Objective 6, you're going to search and gather online resources. And I've put a minimum for each type of resource that you are to include on those pages. And then Objective 7 is the biography page. You're just going to put in paragraph format some of the stuff that you put on your profile, your portfolio, just kind of in your own words, tell the reader about yourself. Objective 8 and 9, those are possible additional assignments if we need more things to add at a later date. Everything you need is right here. Each objective should take somewhere in between 30 minutes to 45 to 60 on up to 90 minutes. Depends on how much information and effort you put into this. Try to do the objectives in order and complete each bullet that I've listed. And I've tried to be very descriptive. Of course, if you need help, feel free to email or contact me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. One thing important that I like my students to know is the why. Why are we doing this? You may not know this, but every lesson that you get in high school in Texas or other states, they have essential knowledge and skills that you have to cover for each class subject. And for advanced audio video, some of them are demonstrate professional standards and personal qualities needed to be employable, such as oral and written communication, leadership, teamwork, appreciation for diversity, conflict management, customer service, work ethic, and adaptability. Demonstrate skills related to seeking and applying for employment, and create a resume and cover letter of interest to document information such as work experiences, licenses, certifications, and work samples. In addition, develop career building characteristics, update a career portfolio to document information such as work experiences, licenses, certifications, and work samples, demonstrate skills in evaluating and comparing employment opportunities, examine and employ professional networking opportunities such as career and technical organizations, social media, industry organizations, and examine employment opportunities and entrepreneurship. Everything we do is important, but I just wanted you to know this isn't just a throw out assignment. This is something that you're expected to know and learn by the time you complete this class. So I hope that factors into your motivation in doing this assignment, and do your best work. Stay tuned, more videos to come on this. If you like what you see below, click like and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.